Everybody, I'm at the Young Retro Motor Club stand, and these are all young people who are into classic cars, so I know you like this thing, so I'm going to let you have a look around the cars and then I'm going to try and have a chat with a few of them. Yeah, I know the feeling. So this is I think this one, is this a Kia? I've got that right, I remember that one. So
Mazda 121.
yeah, I know this is a Wolsey Farina, so looks a good one and all. It's like they've got a bit of variety, but main thing is they're into retro stuff, and some of them are quite young, so I'm a bit surprised. And then we've got a Scirocco in it. This, you see, even a bit new for me, this one. This is I forgot your name, pardon. Georgina. I've spoken to Georgina earlier, so I'm on stall now, and these are all into classics, aren't they? So
Yes.
I mean, there's obviously some older members as well as younger members. So.
I'm Jack's dad.
Right.
He's the founder of the club, so yeah.
You were helping hand.
I get roped in to help out.
Right, that's all.
Nearly got my own bag, not quite.
All right, that's great. So, as you can see, they've all got cars. I mean, we've got a Sax over here.
So Saxo's mine.
Oh, is that yours?
Yeah.
Oh, that's great, yeah.
Scirocco is Katie's.
Hiya, Katie. This is Katie. It don't matter, you're all right. But, and how long you been in staff? How long you been going as a club?
Ooh, 14.
Have you? That's great.
10 years.
That's brilliant.
10 years, yeah.
So, and how many members you got?
Facebook, we're on 15,000.
Oh, brilliant.
Yeah.
And do you do your own repairs, or?
Mostly, yeah.
Yeah.
Like all-time remote.
Right.
Yeah.
So, and where are you based?
It's all over.
Are you? You're like UK then?
Yeah.
Ah, that's brilliant. So, I mean, I'm not best cameraman, but I get quite a few people on my YouTube channel, do you know what I mean? So I thought, and I'm always mourning there's no youngsters involved, so. As they'll all know something, so these are all young anyway, so I'm going to let you have a look round front of the stall, and then you can all see what's going off for you. You've got a thing, I've seen it on some of the things, haven't you, what you've done, and then things you take a picture on, but I don't even know what they're called.
QR code.
QR code they're informing me, so
Yes.
see, that's how prehistoric I am. Well, thank you very much. I'm going to have a look around your stall, all your badges and that. Alright, thank you. This must be the QR code they're referring to. I don't understand what that means. So, the young people have been established 10 years, they've just heard, so. And they're into the retro stuff, so. There you have it. You can see all information, so if you all want some more info, just give them a shout. Because I like if you like video. Pass a comment if you want to know hotels, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. And that's people at this Young Retro Motor Club, which has got to be a good thing for these older cars. Thanks a lot, folks. Bye for now.